What's up guys, so I just got the GoPro Hero 7 Black and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to do a review in low light comparing the Hero 7 Black versus a regular point and shoot camera. In this case we're going to be using the Sony RX100 Mark V and an iPhone XS Max. We're also going to do a microphone comparison and see which one of those three devices will be better for you in a normal environment. Plus, we're going to see how good the stabilization in this is compared to the two cameras we'll be using. So guys, stay tuned and let's check out the footage. Alright guys, let's jump into the box and see what's inside the GoPro Hero 7 box. But before that, I want to talk to you guys about an SD card quickly. I'm not gonna just talk to you about an SD card and unbox it, there's nothing interesting. The issue I want to talk to you about is if you go on GoPro.com and order a new GoPro, you get a free SD card. The problem with that is GoPro ships out the Ultra Plus, not the Extreme Plus SD card. And with the Ultra Plus, you cannot record 4K 60 frame per second footage. So if you did receive an Ultra Plus SD card, I would contact GoPro and ask them to replace it for you because you wouldn't be able to record the 4K 60 frame per second footage. But enough with the SD card, let's jump into the box and see what's inside the box. Alright, so that's pretty much everything inside the box. So the standard GoPro on top of the plastic. You've seen this before, but let's check what's inside the actual box.
Wait, hold on.
Alright, so we got the original GoPro mounts. One is curved, one is flat. We got the charger or the sync cable. It's USB-C. The battery, of course. By the way, these batteries are compatible with other GoPros. And let's see, what else do we have here? We got the stickers and the manual. And the GoPro Plus, which is a damage replacement feature, cloud backup, and discounts of GoPro. You could go ahead and register if you'd like to. But the best part is right here. Here it is guys, the GoPro Hero 7. Alright guys, so the biggest difference with the GoPro Hero 7 and the 7 Black is on the case it actually says Black 7. And let me show you another cool feature or design. It is actually black, unlike their predecessors that are gray. It's actually black. So when you're buying a GoPro Hero 7 Black, you're getting a black color. Same thing with the silver and white. They're actual colors now. And it actually tells you the Black 7. Now let's see if the design stayed the same. It looks like the design did stay the same. The only difference I see is a speaker. It is located right here now. And you got a cool sea turtle in the back as a sticker. Everything else is the same. Now, the biggest differences are inside. The hardware changed. So now you got the Hyper Smooth, so you don't need a gimbal. You'll get a perfect image stabilization according to GoPro, which we'll test today. And we're actually going to see if you do need a gimbal or you don't. So let's jump into the footage and see what happens next. Stay tuned. Alright, so right here I got the three devices. The bottom left is the Sony RX100, the top is the iPhone XS Max, and the bottom right is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you guys could see here, there's a lot of difference in all of three of these cameras. The biggest difference is that the RX100 gives you true colors with less grain, while the GoPro and the XS Max give you more detail because it's a lighter image. Alright guys, so this is the sound test on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm just walking down the street. There's not too many cars around. As you guys could see, some cars are coming through. And we're going to do the same thing on the Sony RX100 Mark V and the iPhone XS Max. So let's check out how that sounds. Alright guys, so this is on the Sony RX100 Mark V. This is the sound test on this. Same kind of example next to the street. So let's see how this one sounds. Alright guys, so this is the iPhone XS Max sound test. So I'm doing the exactly same walk as I did on the two other cameras. Cars in the background, so let's see which one is the winner. You guys think the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the Sony RX100 Mark V, or the iPhone XS Max wins? Comment below and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so that was the footage from the iPhone XS Max, the Sony RX100 Mark V, and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm not gonna give you my opinion on which one looked better. I want you to comment below and let me know which one you think looked better and sounded better. So thank you guys for watching this review and comparison between these three devices. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me in the Instagram and Twitter. I'll have links down below in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.